Very big day today. Hey, maintain radio silence for a second. Nobody say anything on the radio. Okay, shh, quiet. So very big day today. We're not in the studio. We're actually right here at our hometown or home field at Striker Airsoft. So make sure you stay tuned and check it out. What's going on, Airsofters? Thanks for tuning in today to Century Elite Airsoft TV. My name is Drew and we're back again today with this big video of today. Today we're actually going to be recruiting for Squad 2. So let's head in and check it out. What are you guys doing? Let's go, come on. Hopefully this microphone is working, but literally just got out of a game. What's up? Too late now. Hold on. So literally just got out of a game. I didn't have time to pretty much put the lapel mic on me, but we are going to be giving another CA Squad 2 patch to the guy right there in the green shirt. Nico, welcome to the team, buddy. All right, man, it'll be awesome. So, little brief history, I'm not sure if you know. It started out with 4, and now we're building Squad 2, and I want you to be one of the first few members of CEA 2. Welcome aboard, man. Yeah, man. Welcome aboard.
Playing with people is like, you know.
That's it.
Hey, Kev. You got that card? Open it up. The game you're talking about sounds like Risk, but on a board game, Risk works. So you're rolling a dice, very slow game. $10. There's a fake $100
because of the fact that it's not about what you have, it's about how you are and who you play with. So you've been rolling with us all day today, and I want to welcome all 4 of you to Squad 2. So there you go, guys. This is all yours.
Yeah!
Squad. There you go. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
No problem, man. Thank you. There you go. Welcome.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, guys. So one other thing that I want to mention. Throughout the whole entire journey within the past 2 years, there's been one person, my right-hand man, that's always had my back no matter what. Every time that I'm falling behind, he always picks me up and helps me out no matter what. Always had my back. And this is the hardest thing I have to do because I'm going to have to let him go. But I want you guys to meet your team captain, A. A is going to be your team captain of Squad 2. All right? Sir, it's been an honor. It's not like we're not going to see each other. It's not like we're going to see each other tomorrow.